say me heart, say me heart. Oh, I have got this feeling, I have very airy feeling. And when I get this feeling, I know something is in the air. I love fever is everywhere. Oh, no bother with the nurse, no bother with the doctor. Hey, this fever reach epidemic proportion. No bother call the nurse, I send home the doctor. And this a fever go cause a commotion. Fever, I feel it in the air, sing. Fever, spreading everywhere. Fever, feel it all around. This fever go mash you down. It could make you high. High fever make you high. High fever make you high. High fever make you high. While we sing it. Ooh, oh, 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 aboy, 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 aboy. Lord, the fever put on me. Lord, the fever ride me. Lord. The song is on 45. It's sung by a brother called Roy Rayon, who is a stage artist, is our artist. And the song title is Another One Come. I know the ladies love the song. Another one come, another one, oh God. Another one come, another one come. Yes, be ready for the party, oh. The girl and me, but the trash and ready. We have no books, we don't have no money, but anything we want, we get it, cause look how me irate, look how me sexy, look for me body, hope me standing easy. So while we dancing tonight, hug me up and kiss me. While we moving right, tell me that you love me. We gon' have some fun and sweet romancing. So when this your music run and keep the people dancing. Another one come, another one come. Another one come, another one come. He say another one come, another one come. Another one come, another one come. Yes, be ready for party, oh. Everybody be rocking steady in a no style and in a category. Anything you want, be ready, ready. Look how me irate, look how me sexy, look for me body, how me looking juicy. So while we dancing tonight, hold me up and kiss me, squeeze me with all your might. I'll rub up on me belly, we go have some fun and sweet romancing. So make this your music run and keep the people dancing. Another one come, another one come. Another one come, another one come. Yeah, be ready for the party, oh. The girl and me, but the trash and ready. We have no books, we don't have no money, but anything we want, we get it, cause look how me irate, look how me sexy. Me look like a boomsy, but me standing easy. So while we dancing tonight, hug me up and kiss me. While we moving right, tell me that you love me. We go have some fun and sweet romancing. So make this your music run and keep the people dancing. Take it down, take it down. Now ladies, I want you to sing along with me now, right? And you got to get the dip in the hips and all of that, right? When we sing, le, when I sing, another one come, another one come. Peace. Ready, ladies? All right, here we go. Le, another one come. It's sweet and not you. Well, you have now. Hear what happened now. That singing ain't never loud enough, and there's a whole massive inside there. Make we get tonight again, ladies. Eh? Le.
Another one come, another one come.
So nice now. Right now, all the gentlemen them on is the most macho of macho. I want them to sing this in le. And the lady them answer with another one comes in. I want to sing the le, just hold on to a lady and squeeze her one time. See where? Le. Again. Le, 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 le. Sweetie. Le, 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 le. Another one come. Another one come. Le, 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 le. Another one come. I'm in a party, oh. Another one come. And the rock is steady. Another one come. I get it. Another one come. Party, oh. Yes, yes. That's a brand new release from Mr. Roy Ray, and he's a stage artist. It's a party song and it's a bad song. Right about now, we want to get into a song. This song is the biggest reggae single ever to come out of this island. Record writer, so. And we know the urban them love that song, yeah, right? And it's me, I'm a brethren over here on guitar named Ricky, right? This song. The festival song for 1986. Respect to the right and respect to the winner.